Let's look at rational, integers, and whole numbers. This is my Venn diagram, and you have the same Venn diagram on page 49 and 50. We learned whole numbers. They're going to start with 0, and all the numbers right of 0 are my whole numbers. I could say 0 and all the positive numbers, but because 0 is included, we're going to call them the non-negatives. All the non-negative numbers, okay, all the non-negative, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are my whole numbers. There's no parts with it. There's no decimals. There's no fractions. It's the whole number. Integers, if you remember correctly from our last test, integer is a whole number and its opposite. So, if integer is a whole number and its opposite, and my whole number is still in the integer box, then it includes the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, but it also includes the -1, the -2, the -3, and so on. But again, we can't have decimals or fractions because then it wouldn't be a whole number and its opposite, and that's what an integer is. When I get to my rational numbers, that's when I'm allowed to include my decimal. Ooh, I can have a negative decimal. I can have my fraction, and I can have my negative fraction. As long as I can write my number in an A-B form, in a fraction form, it is rational. Whole numbers, that's a 3, a positive 3, it can be written as a fraction over 1, just as a -3 could be written as -3 over 1. They both match this rule. They would be rational. Looking at these 4 rational numbers, can you label them? Push pause. 75 is a whole number, an integer, and a rational number. Because it's positive, it is a whole number. It's on the right side of 0. It's an integer because it has an opposite of -75, and it's a rational number because it fits in the family. The -3 is an integer and a rational number. It can't be a whole number because it's negative. Both 3/4 and the decimal 35 hundredths, they're both rational numbers.